Hello traders, a quick update here on pound CAD currency pair. Remember, pound CAD has been going down since 12th December. As you can see here on the 1 hour chart, let me try to show you that quickly. As you can see here, the prices has been going down, and since yesterday it has made kind of a short-term bottom and trying to rise up to make some corrective moves, and we are trying to catch this corrective move. Let's go back to the 15-minute chart to see the levels where we can actually enter into a trade and take this pair to the corrective moves it wants to have. So I've identified the levels to be 7190 levels to 7180 levels where we can look to enter this pair and take it up all the way up to 7250 levels as target 1, and the target 2 would be 7280 levels. So I'll keep you updated. I'm going to pause this video and see if I'm able to catch the 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 price action as I have described in my trade plan, and if it happens, I'll keep you updated, guys. All right, thank you, and I'm going to come back very soon. I'm going to pause this video for now. All right, as you can see here, the prices are coming back to the levels we have identified as support, where we can look to enter into this trade. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to pause this video and then show you exactly once the entry is taken. All right, so the prices have retraced to the levels, but we want to see how the prices are going to react at this level before deciding to enter into the long trade. All right, so let's be patient and then see how the price action unfolds at these levels to decide to go long. As you can see here, the prices have rebounded, but we have to see the trend actually changing. Okay, so let's go to the 1 minute chart. We want to see a higher low, then we can try to take this to the upside. So let's see, let's be patient. See, what's actually happening is since it broke this area of support, as you can see here, okay, this area of support, now it has become resistance. So it's trying to go up, but it has been restricted or limited by this resistance now. So it has to come down and then make a higher low and then move higher again. Okay, and that's when we will look to enter into this long trade. So let's see how this one actually pans out. Okay, let's see. So should be a good trade, hopefully. Let's see, we can at least look to make 25 pips at the least. Let's see. So waiting patiently, still not entering into the trade, waiting patiently. Still don't have a confirmation to enter the trade. So let's see, guys, if I get the confirmation, I'm going to enter into a trade very quickly on 4 platforms. One will be multi-charts, the other account is on Think Markets, and the third and fourth is on MT4 equity markets. Okay, so I'll be entering 4 trades very quickly. Once I have the confirmation, I'm looking to go long from these levels. Let's see how it works out. The stop loss will be very tight stop loss just below these levels, which will be 71, 74 something. I'll just make it as 70, 71, 73 levels. Okay, let's see. We should be getting an entry signal very soon, or maybe this is a reversal. Okay, and the prices are going to go down. In that case, we will not have a trade. But right now, because it did this coming out of this wedge, I'm hoping the prices should correct to these levels. Okay, because it has come down far too down, so it has to correct reasonably before it can go down again. So let's see. I'm ready with the trades, with the order window rather. Okay, to enter quickly. See, the bounce was around 72, almost 18 pips. So let's see if we get this trade. If it blues, if it goes past this level, it blows this level and goes down further, then we don't have a trade. Okay, but I'm hoping we get a trade right at this level. Okay, tight stop should be around 10 pips stop loss. And if we don't have a trade, then we need to see how we can take this pair to the downside. We have to quickly change our trade plan and see how we can have a new plan to short this pair, because it has been going down. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and see what exactly is happening. See, it's definitely trying to make a correction, no doubt about that. Okay, yeah, now I buy it.
Order filled.
Okay, I buy, so let's see, the stop loss should be 71, 73. Okay, 71, 73. And it's already there. All right, so we are in the money immediately, as you can see, which is a good thing. That's what we want to see, right? look to sell 30% here, 30% at the highs, and 30% at the first target I identified, and the rest at the last level, 40% and the last, maybe 50%, and the last 20% there. Okay, let's do that. So here we are, we have taken the trade, we are now waiting for the price action to unfold and take us into profits. Okay, the stop loss is very tight around, we entered around 88, the stop loss is at 73 levels, which means 15 pips stop loss, which should be fine. Okay, so target 1 will be, let me draw the targets. Okay, this will be target 1, this will be target 2, and this will be my target 3. Okay, okay, and this is my stop loss. So the plan is set, everything is very clear, very well laid out. We waited patiently, we have entered into the trade, we have defined the targets, and we have done everything correctly as per the trade plan, and we are just waiting for the outcome. Okay, the outcome could be a stop loss hitting, getting hit, where we will have a small loss and we will exit, or the next outcome or the other outcome would be in our favor, which will be the prices hitting or meeting or reaching the targets we have set. Okay, so let's wait patiently, that's all it is. We have to just wait and take the profits now, or a small loss. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to pause this video now and then come back sometime later. What I will also do is I will try to change my stop loss, the profit targets by dividing the position size into three different profit targets. Okay, I'll do that when I will be offline. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video, guys, and come back very soon. Okay, guys, the trade doesn't seems to be working too well, but still it has not hit the stop loss levels, so we are still in the trade. There is still a possibility of the prices moving up, but it looks very unlikely as of now. But let's see, as long as it has not hit the stop loss, we are still in the trade, and there is still a possibility of the prices retracing. Okay, probably we'll have another opportunity. Maybe it will come down to test 71.65 levels, and then probably we will have another trade to the upside. Let's try to draw a Fibonacci from the lows of yesterday up to the highs of today. Okay, so the 50% is around 71, 71 levels, so I think I can just move the stop loss below these levels, hoping the 50% level will hold. Okay, so let me quickly do that for the other okay, let's see. If the trade has to work, it has to work. 71, 71, so the stop loss is 71.67 actually. Okay, let's move it to 67. Yeah, 67 exactly. Let's see how it works. Okay, in fact, I should have decided on the stop loss even before I made the trade, because normally I don't change the stop loss, but since I draw the Fibonacci now, and I realized just a few pips above the 50% retracement, I thought it will be better to place the stop loss just below the 50% retracement, which will give us further protection. But as of now, the prices have not really reached those levels, but it's okay. Let's see, hopefully the trade goes back into our desired direction. I'm going to pause this video and come back in some time, guys. Okay guys, let's see. I think moving the stop loss is helping for now, but I don't know how long. Probably will be stopped out of this trade, but we just stick to our trade plan. That's the best part. And just imagine if the prices rebound from here and goes all the way to hit our take profit levels, how satisfying it will be, because you just stuck to your followed your trade plan completely. So I thought I'll show you that in this video, how to devise a trade plan and follow the trade plan. Let's hope it works in our favor. Alright guys, I think we're about to get stopped out. Let's see.
Order filled.
Yeah, I think we're
order cancelled.
So yeah, this is just an example of a trade gone wrong, but at least the fact remains that we have devised a trade plan, and we just followed it to the T. Okay, that's what matters. And as long as you follow the plan and you keep your losses to the minimum, the wins will eventually come and offset the losses, and a little more, so you become profitable. All right, thank you guys, see you in the next video.